If you've been struggling to sleep due to racing thoughts or anxiety, I've designed this gentle practice to help promote relaxation and encourage your nervous system to move out of fight or flight and into resting mode to help you get off to sleep. It might be nice to place a blanket on top of your mat for this class for some extra padding, or you could even do this practice from your bed. Wherever you are, come to sit in a position that feels comfortable for you. That might mean sitting up on a cushion or a yoga block. Just take a moment to get settled in a place where you can lengthen your spine, soften your shoulders down away from your ears, and place one hand over your heart, the other over your belly, and close down your eyes. Take a full deep breath in through your nose and exhale completely. Continue deepening your breath and draw your awareness to the physical movement that your breath creates in your body. When you can't sleep, it's easy to give yourself a hard time, and often it might be due to your nervous system feeling unsafe. So practicing gentle self-compassion is so vital for your well-being during this time. Placing your attention on the sensation of your healing hands over your heart and belly, and allow this gentle, compassionate self-touch to feel nurturing. Cross your hands now in front of your heart and gently tap your fingers either side of your upper chest, butterfly taps. Continue to tap as we introduce a simple pranayama breathing technique, in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4, using your butterfly taps to keep time with the counts. To begin, exhale completely, and then breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4, in 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4. Return to a natural breath, hands over heart and belly. And softly whisper or silently repeat to yourself, I am safe. I am held. And lower your hands, palms face down on your knees, grounding your energy back down. Option to keep your eyes closed as you slowly make your way onto hands and knees, tabletop position. Or add a gentle spinal movement, cat-cow. As you breathe in, gently arch your spine, lift your chest and look forward. And as you breathe out, round your spine back and sink your hips to your heels, child's pose. Inhale, come forward, back to the first position, arching your spine. And exhale, round your back, child's pose. Continue this movement, breathing deeply and moving slowly. Next time you're in your child's pose, stay there. Reach your arms forward, open up your knees a little bit wider, melting your chest down. Now lift your head and chest a little bit, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat, setting up for a side bend. Option to press your left hand down on top of the right and melt your head and chest back down. Feel into the stretch on the left side of your body. Slowly walk your hands back through center and now over to the left side, finding that stretch on the second side. Return to center. And now walk your hands back towards your knees, lifting up. Shift your hips to one side and come to sit. We'll stretch into the hips, butterfly or diamond pose. Press the soles of your feet together, knees open out, and depending on what you feel in your body, it might feel better to slide your feet away from the pelvis or bring them in closer. There's no right or wrong here. What we're looking for is a hip stretch, but nothing too intense. Option to stay sitting up or hinge forward from your pelvis to fold into this shape. Placing your attention either on the sensation that you feel or your breath. Ease yourself back up and transition into a comfortable seated position, maybe that's crossed legs, for a breathing technique known for bringing the nervous system into the restful state. We'll breathe in through the left nostril and out of the right nostril, using the thumb and the ring finger of your right hand to alternately block the nostril that isn't breathing. You can softly place the pads of your right index and middle fingers on the space between your eyebrows, third eye center. Exhale completely, and then at the bottom of your breath out, use right thumb to plug right nostril as you inhale slowly through the left. And then at the top of the breath, release right nostril, close left with the ring finger, and slowly breathe out the right. We'll continue just like that, breathing in through the left and breathing out the right. Continue on your own. Eyes are closed, full attention on your breath. Slow it right down. Without rushing, complete the round of breath that you're on. And once that's finished, rest your hands down on your knees, palms facing up. Notice how you feel in this moment. Now, if you have some wall space nearby, you can position yourself next to the wall for our next posture. Otherwise, stay where you are and make your way down onto your back. Extend your legs up into the air for waterfall, or if you're next to a wall, you can take legs up the wall. If you're not sure how to get into legs up the wall, just take a look at me now. Wherever you are, keep a soft bend in your knees. Arms can be down by your sides, or it might feel nice to rest your hands on your body. Allow your feet to relax. Soften your calves, your thighs, and your hips. Allow your belly to completely relax, and see if you can rest your attention on the sensation of the parts of your body that are making contact with the mat or your bed beneath you. Can you cultivate a sensation of feeling held and supported here? Hug your knees into your chest and rock gently from side to side. If you're by a wall, just reposition yourself now away from the wall, lying down, knees into chest. Keep your right knee pulled in to the chest and extend your left leg out long. And just pausing here. Release your right leg out long and hug your left knee into chest. Just applying a gentle squeeze. Release that now, bend both knees and plant your feet onto the mat wider than your hips and windscreen wiper your knees from side to side, nice and slow, arms open out to the sides. Next time your knees are over to the left, pause there. Return your knees to center and then over to the right and pause. This gentle spinal twist will help reduce tension in the low back. Return through center and set yourself up for Shavasana, a final resting pose. If you're practicing from your bed, you can get under the covers now or wrap yourself in a blanket. As you rest here, see if you can let go of any pressure that you tend to put on yourself to get to sleep. Know that this simple practice has given you tools to create a sense of rest in your body. Allow every muscle in your body to soften and let go. I invite you to softly whisper or silently repeat the following. I am safe. I am held. I deserve rest. If you're already in your bed or want to remain lying down, stay exactly as you are. Otherwise, find some gentle movement and turn onto your right side. And then gently press yourself up into a seated position to close our time together. I hope with all of my heart that you are able to get some rest tonight. Come back to this class each night before bed to give your nervous system the love it needs. Good night.